Okay, my loves, day 2. Appa lagi ready hon bar jaan le. So I'm just gonna do a quick routine. I'll show you how I'm gonna do this look. It's super duper easy and fast to do. Koi ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ज़्यादा faff around ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. I'm gonna do my Saie Glam lamination gel first. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do this again, and this will do the job for the brows. क्योंकि आज भी इत्थे बहुत ज़्यादा rain पै रही है, and it's supposed to be like 100% rainy day today, so we're just gonna have to do a bit of a waterproof makeup. Okay, using L'Oreal brow pen to just fill the gaps. One for a price from drugstore. I think this is the best brow pen from drugstore I've tried. A color correcting. I think I'm gonna do again my NYX Pro Stick. This one is in shade Dark Peach. I'm not doing it a lot. I'm just gonna do it where I have the most halo-ness going on. Out and about all day long. When I'm too tired, my legs hurt so bad that I cannot sleep. And if you ever been to Montreal, then if you are driving around everywhere, seriously, worst mistake ever. It's so much to see. So the best way to see Montreal is on foot. Okay, for my extra hydration, I'm using Armani Luminous Silk Illuminating Primer. And just 2 pumps on the back of the hand. But I'm also mixing with hydrating primer because girl, I'm feeling like really dry, like really dry. So I'm gonna mix these two together, and I'm gonna apply this on my skin before I go with my tint or whatever. I just need a little bit extra hydration. I know I look like a glazed donut right now, but I just did my skincare, so, and I know for the rest of the day if I didn't drink enough water, this thing is gonna go crazy. So it's best if I just do a little bit of the hydrating primer underneath, so I have a good base. Huda Beauty lip contours, and if you know they are really good. So I'm gonna just do the tint first before I do foundation and everything. Warm brown and toasty brown. So I'm gonna do a warm brown to outline. Brown just to add a little bit of the dimension. Okay, so this is done. For my tint today, I'm gonna do Kylie Cosmetics. I finally have my right shade, so I'm hoping this will be perfect. This is 5N, and before I used to use 4W. I thought that was a little bit more on a yellow side, so I got myself 5N, and hopefully this, why it looks more grayish. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna trust the process. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let me just blend this. Hopefully after blending this will be fine. Looks fine to me. Oh yeah, the shade is fine. Beautiful. Huda Beauty, the face base brush is my new obsession. It's so good. I'm gonna do Saie Beauty today because I just need a little bit more hydration. For Saie, my shade over here is number 10. I'm gonna do, yeah, my Saie Beauty. I'm obsessed with Saie Beauty contours and blushes. If you haven't tried this brand yet, go on, try it. You're gonna be obsessed with this. The shade I'm using is Giving Boss, and it's number 4. Literally. Ooh. But I really like this product. It's so pretty. It looks very, very, very pretty on the skin. Got to bring the actual brush, which is fine. We can use puff. To just blend the edges first. Okay. Alright. Okay. I want to do, as I said, I want to do something more warmy. So I'm going to do this Saie Beauty blush in number 5 called I Am Hot. It is a really nice like terracotta shade, which I really, really liked. And it looks really nice on the skin. So I'm going to do that one. And it's going to give me a really nice warm look as well. Like more of like a sun kiss kind of vibe. So I'm going to do that. Just look at it. It's just the way this whole, every product I tried from this brand, the way it blends into my skin is so seamless and stunning. Set my face. So for face setting, I only brought my Huda Easy Bake. I cannot go anywhere without Easy Bake. No one can change my mind about this product. It's so good. So I'm gonna use pound cake all over. I didn't bring the loose ones. I brought the pressed ones because I'm not really doing like a super duper full-on coverage makeup. I'm doing very light skin tints and stuff like that. So I don't really need a very like very strong setting. I just need a very mild one, so it just locks every cream in place. I'm gonna do a pound cake on my full face because this is more complementary shade to my skin tone. I go in between pound cake and cupcake. Right. Peach cupcake. I love this one, especially for my under eyes. This is a really, really good shade. But before I do that, I'm just gonna take all the creasing out. And usually when I'm doing my under eyes, I do one eye at a time. I don't do both together, just in case I need some downtime. Okay, I'll show you in a minute that what mirror I'm really relying on today. I'm not getting ready in the bathroom just because the situation we had yesterday. I filmed the look yesterday too, but I did a different routine, but nothing came out good. And everybody could not use the washroom while I was filming, so we actually got even more late while leaving the hotel. So I was like, I'm gonna do it outside in the room in my look. So I'm gonna use my Covergirl Skin Enhancer. The shade I use is 310 Toasted Coconut. And okay, I'm doing a blush a little bit more just because the cheeks are looking a little bit dull. We're gonna put a little bit on the back of the hand, go straight on my brush and just pop it right here. Okay, go ahead and do my hydration first. So I'm using a Saie lightweight setting spray. This is the hydration for the powders to melt. It's a very, very lightweight setting spray. So if you have a, like, if you're planning to lock your makeup in place, this might not be one of the best setting sprays. But if you're looking for a hydration for like no makeup look and a little bit setting, Saie could be a really good one. But if you do have a little bit extra makeup and you're about to go out where you have fine humidity or it's raining, I would still trust L'Oreal, which I'm gonna do today anyway. But yeah, we're gonna quickly finish the Glam. Nice. For my lips, I'm gonna go with what is this? Blur Filler Lip Contours by L'Oreal, and the shade I'm about to use is Brown Caramel because I want a little bit of like a brownishy vibe today. So I'm gonna line this up again. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same blush by Saie Beauty. Apply right in the middle of my lips. Just tap it. Okay. Contouring, and this time I'm gonna use the same Worth It Intense by L'Oreal. Just in the middle of my lips, so my palette looks really nice. I brought one mascara and I'm glad I did. This is the Clio Superproof Mascara Extreme Volume. I love this. The only thing is it is a tubing mascara and it's raining, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna quickly curl my lash a little bit and then I'm gonna pop this mascara on, and then I'm pretty much done. I don't want to do any eyes or anything. So if you see lighting changing, because my light is giving up on me now, so I'm gonna quickly do my mascara. If not put the, I might not put the whole footage because the light might go out, but I'm gonna quickly just do my mascara and that's it. Okay, so this is our full face makeup done. Still looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and lock everything in place with L'Oreal. I always forget that. Don't breathe when you have the setting spray on. So this is the final look. I just finished my hair. I have to DIY a lot of things today. I forgot to bring hairpins. I forgot to bring hairbands. But we went out on dinner last night and we had extra chopsticks. So I made a hairstyle for me with chopsticks, and I made it with Saie as well because she liked it so much that she wanted exactly the same. So we have, this is my hairstyle from the back. Did a bun, few curls at the front, and with the chopsticks a little hairstyle. I hope it looks good or creative. But this is, I'm ready. Just gonna get dressed and we're gonna leave. So this is the today's look.